Two. I can't believe we lost. Yeah, because of you. What? Yeah, because of you, because you use your ability. You're not supposed to use it. If only you threw yourself. Should have picked someone else besides you or me. It's not my fault I have no arms. It kind of is. Yeah, it kind of is. You should. We didn't even know what the challenge would be. They should have known. Well, they're probably going to vote any of us. We're basically all on the chopping block. Yeah, you're right. I don't want to go home, though. I don't want to go home. No, I don't want to go home. It's okay. What happened out there? Seriously, you guys made us lose. Yeah, like seriously, why'd you do that? Like seriously, you guys messed up big time. Yeah, like seriously. What's the point of arguing? We're just gonna lose one of them. Yeah, I agree. We're just gonna lose one of them. Probably gonna lose Iceberg. Whatever. I'm pretty sure it's gonna float safely to the other side. What are y'all talking about? We lost! Oh. Yeah, what happened out there? Oh, it feels good to not be worried about going home. Don't you agree, Luigi? I agree. What about you, Luigi? I agree. It's good to not go home. I don't want to go home because one of us would have to go home. We don't want a team leader going home. I don't want to go home. Maybe Mario deserves to go home. But, no, never mind. What? No, I was kidding, Mario. It was a joke. Okay? Okay. Anyways, I wonder who's getting voted out. Probably like Creeper, Iceberg. Maybe Creeper, Iceberg, or Sammy. Yeah, maybe one of them. Oh god, I don't want to go home. 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 It's okay, jeez. Yeah, Iceberg's right. It's okay. I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. They're all gonna vote me. I don't want to go home. Even if you go home, you might have a chance on the redemption round. I have no arms. We don't even know what the redemption round will be. No. Oh, I might as well just go and jump off that cliff that you threw Dr. Cyclops off. But every single time someone's eliminated, it's different. What? Yeah. Yeah, it's different every time. You gotta be kidding me. I don't want to go home. No. Oh god. He's coming for elimination. Guys, line up. Okay. Alright. Are you ready for elimination? Not really. Nope. Well, I'm ready. I don't care. First, Firefly was safe, and the rest of you are safe. All the people that didn't even go in the round still got to vote. So, yeah, because they saw everything. Alright. One of you got 2 votes. So that's about, and there's 11 of you. So one of you got 2 votes. One of you got 3 votes. And one of you got 6 votes. But the person safe is Iceberg, and the final person safe for this elimination for the Rockets is Creeper. Wait, what? You really thought you could persuade us into voting for Creeper? He obviously has no arms. He couldn't do anything about it, so he had to use his ability. God, you're an idiot. There's no way. Yeah, sorry, I kind of got you eliminated. You creeper, you bastard! No, I refuse to go home. I refuse to be thrown off the cliff. You're not being thrown off the cliff, Stan. Wait, what? No, let me go. Let me go. Shut up. You've been eliminated, Sammy. I can't do anything about that. Yes, you can. You can start by letting me go. How about... No! Ah! No! Let's go in there! Let me out! Yeah, no. Let me out! So Sammy has been eliminated from Total Stuff Fluffed Island. What happened on next episode? Of course, we get it. This video had to be 2 parts. This episode had to be 2 parts, but hey, you know why? Because we accidentally edited a recording, and we're not about to do the recording again. We're not about to re-record it. So, I'll see you on next episode of Total Stuff Fluffed Island. Guys! Yeah? Boris and Vince are in an alliance. What? They're in an alliance? Oh my god. So why? Why are you telling us this though? Maybe we should make an alliance. I don't know. Come on, Sparkles. But how about we get someone from the other team? Because then, if they lose, they'll want to vote them out. So we should portray someone from on the other team? Yeah. How about that? Oh, you're not getting away that easy. You're not getting away that easy.